Hey, this is Bruce Garber from BruceKGarber.com. We're on Algonquin Beach on September 4th, the day after we missed Hurricane Earl. We dodged a bullet, as the reports have been saying. On the ride up here this afternoon, we saw a lot of vacant signs. People must have been leaving the area in case the storm actually hit. But there are people out, there's vacancies, the beach is fine, the weather is good. Let me zoom out a little bit to see some of those waves. There's actually some surfers out there and families out there having a ball. There's a lot of water pools that are going on. The tide is actually going out right now. But you can see, even on the outgoing tide, that the waves and the wind and those whitecaps from these rolling waves still look pretty intense for this area this time of year. Try to zoom over there. You can see where those waves are actually crashing it up over those rocks. Some people standing right out there. Don't know how safe that is. But it looks like fun anyway. Lifeguards are around watching people. Here comes a surfer in now. Anyway, the day after Earl, weather is great, surf is great, people are having a ball. With that, we found some rocks, and people have been piling these rocks up, and actually have been putting some little dolls and puppets along the way, waiting for Earl. Here's what one person did to meet Earl on the way. Pretty creative, pretty inventive. Some bridges, different rock structures all the way down. How cool is that? So still continuing our walk down the marginal way, came across the sign here, the flag system, where green is safe and red is no swimming. And as you can see from the top, the red flag is flying. But does surfing, is surfing considered swimming? Maybe not, because you have that board with you. Not too sure on that. Lifeguards are out. The whistle keeps blowing, trying to keep control of the people. Small little beach area. Well, it looks like the tide has changed, and the tide is starting to roll in now. I'm sitting in a little location. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is a little area called Thunder Hole because of the little carve out between these big rock formations. And when the ocean and the waves come rolling and banging in here, and the tide gets a little higher and the waves come in a little stronger, it actually sounds like a little thunder. Wow, pretty impressive little area. I don't think I'm going to stay on the edge of these rocks too long. I'm going to get out of here in just a minute. Those rolls are quite impressive. Bruce Garber reporting from the beaches of Algonquin, Maine. Check BruceKGarber.com.